Good day, beautiful people. I am Wilson. Welcome to the 360 Tech channel. Today we'll be unboxing the heavy ONYX Studio 8. This is a battery powered speaker, so get ready for this review. I'll be using my screwdriver as always. Tearing up the packaging. This was shipped all the way from the USA by Hiroshi, ordered from Wood. So you want to get your shipping fees down, the link will be in the description below. This is tightly packaged. This is a very big speaker. The purchase link will be put down in the description below. Oh, this is a whole lot of paper. What do we have here? We have the manual. Nobody reads that. We also have charging cable. Well hidden, by the way. Wow, this is heavy. We now have the speaker. So heavy. Wrapped in soft cloth. Nothing else easily cut up. Oh, this is premium. Look at the color, look at the weight set, and almost it has the Type-C port at the back, an aux cable, and the power cord. So the Type-C should be for service, maybe software related ish. We'll be testing the sound quality later on in this video.